Hello everyone, I am your host KB and you are watching kbeditingzone. So today in this video we are going to create a text animation using Alightmotion. So let's have a preview.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of heart.
Now open your Alightmotion application and create a new project. So after that go to the plus icon and add the media. So after that go to the move and transform option and go to the third option on the right and adjust the image. Now go to the first move and transform option and adjust the image. Now again go to the third option on the right and zoom the image. Now select the image and go to the speed option and decrease the value of the speed to increase the length of the image. So in this way you can increase the length of the image, or you can manually drag and increase the length of the image, but I prefer this as it is quick and easier. So I am making here up to 15 seconds. So in this way you can increase the length of the image. So after that go to the plus icon and then add the text. After that increase the size of the text and change the font and change the color of the text. So I prefer the white color. So after that align the text to the center. Now go to the move and transform option again and add the 3 key. So add the first key at the beginning and another key at the last and one key at the middle. So go to the first key and move the text to down. Now go to the last key and again move the text to down. So swipe it down to move the text to down. So in this way our first animation is ready. So let's have a preview. So now we are going to add the curve to it. So adjust like this. So then go to the 3 dot and copy the curve. So after go to the next part and paste the curve and press the reverse option to reverse the curve. So now our animation is ready. So after that go to the text option again and move and transform option again and go to this third option and add the key at the middle and another key at the end. So now decrease the value to make the text smaller. So you can move the key to little forward to clearly see the text getting smaller. After that you can bring the key to the last. You can see that our animation is not looking smooth, so we need to add curve. So after that paste the curve that we copied before and reverse the curve. So that looks smooth. After that go to the text and effect option and add effect and add the swing effect. Keep the frequency value of 1.20 and go to the first angle and keep the angle of -5 degree and at angle 2 keep positive 5 degree angle. So our animation is almost ready. Now I can go to the text and effect option and add effect, and we are going to add the motion blur effect. So go to the motion blur and keep tune value of about 30. After that select the text and copy the layer and after that paste the layer. So in this way you can create multiple text. So now select the text and go to the edit text option and write another text here. So you can align the text to the middle. So now go to another text and similarly go to the edit text option and add another text here. So similarly add that text to other. So if you want to make the text length smaller, then select the text and go to the speed option. So you can find the trim left and right option to decrease the length of the text. In this way you can decrease the length of the text without doing any effect on the animation. So you can also increase or decrease the length of the text by moving the slider left and right. So in this way you can make the text length long or short without having any effect on the animation. So now click on the image and trim off the extra part. So now animation is ready. Now click on the top right option to export the video. So if you like my content, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So thank you for watching.